Hello students, I am Suman V. Muni, Department of English, Degree College Jagannathpur, Kolhan University, Chayosa. Today I am going to discuss about a topic that is Indo-European family of languages and English. So this topic is in your semester 3 and core course 7. It is for English honors student. Indo-European family of languages. The Indo-European languages are a large language family native to Western Eurasia. Eurasia is the largest continental area on earth, comprising all of Europe and Asia. It comprises most of the languages of Europe together with those of the northern Indian subcontinent and the Iranian plot, such as English have expanded through colonialism in the modern period and are now spoken over all continents. Indo-European family is divided into several branches. Largest branches are Indo-Iranian, Germanic, Romance. Romance belong to Latin languages and Neo-Latin languages, which are nowadays rarely used, and Baltic Slavic groups. The most populous languages are Spanish, English, Hindi, Urdu, Portuguese, Bengali, Punjabi, and Russian in all over the world, each with over 100 million speakers. There are also German, French, Marathi, Italian, and Persian languages having more than 50 million speakers. In total, 46% of world population, approximately 3.2 billion, speaks an Indo-European language as their first language. There are about 445 living Indo-European languages according to the estimate by Ethnologue, Languages of the World. It is one of the renowned journals which published for the first time in the year 1951. Now it is published annually by SIL International, SIL International. The full form of SIL is Summer Institute of Linguistics. Ethnologue journal provides statistics and other information on living languages of the world. As of 2020, or we can say by 2020, Ethnologue contains web-based information on 7,117 languages in its 23rd edition. Now we will go a little bit about origin of English. English is a West Germanic language that originated from Anglo-Frisian dialects brought to Britain in the mid 5th to 7th centuries AD by Anglo-Saxon migrants. The Anglo-Saxons settled in British Isles, their language now called Old English. That all we have discussed about Indo-European family of languages and origin of English. That's all from my side. Thank you all.